welcome to XOXO Gossip Girl, the one and only. Hey Upper East Siders, Gossip Girl here, and I have the biggest news ever. Spotted at Grand Central, Wendy Anderson. Is she looking for Dan Humphrey? Or is she looking for someone else? Shh. That's a secret I will never tell. XOXO. In today's video, I'd like to bring you on a little neighborhood tour to the classic Upper East Side, where the old school, affluent New Yorkers live. In part 2, I'm going to bring you behind the door to one of the Fifth Avenue Central Park facing apartment to experience the fancy lifestyle of Serena van der Woodsen. Then, make sure that you stay until the end, because in part 3, I will share with you how much does it cost to live in a place like this. Hey, if you're here for the first time, make sure that you click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification, and comment down here and let me know which character in Gossip Girl is your favorite. Upper East Side, you see limo everywhere. Oh wow, look at one side we have a castle, and on the other side, that's the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere these days. Oh, this is gorgeous. Hello Upper East Sider, XOXO Gossip Girl. Today I'm going to bring you on the walking tour to the film scene where Serena lives, and surprisingly it's not on the Upper East Side. So I got the address, and that's follow the address, follow the GPS, and follow me to go find this building. Gossip Girl here, scandalous. Serena's penthouse apartment is not located in the Upper East Side. Here, her building, the Milan condo, is located in Midtown East between 55th Street and 2nd Avenue. And this is the lobby, the famous lobby where many of the Gossip Girl scenes were filmed here of Serena and her mom Lily walking in and out. All the way on the penthouse is Serena's apartment. Funny, the Upper East Side it girl does not live on the Upper East Side. XOXO. Alright, even though the Serena film scene is not located on the Upper East Side, I thought since we are still on the East Side, I will bring you to one of the apartment buildings on the Upper East Side that reminds me of the Gossip Girl affluent lifestyle. Before moving on to the home tour, make sure that you also check out another famous film scene where Serena in season 3 lives in, the famous New York Plaza Hotal. I think we're almost there. So now let's go into this apartment building. Lobby area is very grand with a courtyard planted with all the seasonal flowers. And be mindful, in this courtyard, you are not going to be able to walk around there. It's just for decoration only. door opens, it's the whole Upper East Side glam in front of you. And immediately turning to the right is a small study nook for you to work a little bit or make some phone calls. The space is very cute, somehow reminds me of the telephone booth in the old times. And then walking back to the main hallway area, what's in front of you is the living room. And the decoration is very nice. It was newly renovated just a decade ago, but all the conditions are still very new. What caught my attention this time is the fireplace, because haha, it is not the real fireplace, it's an electronic one. But the architect did such a great job to make it look real. I was almost fooled. Then looking to the living room, I like the furniture, but what really caught my attention is the view. Central Park, direct Central Park view. The greenery coming from the park and the sunlight shedding through the tree leaves. It's $1 million view or $1 billion view. Then turning around is a dining room, also nicely decorated and also having the direct view of Central Park. And here is the kitchen, nicely decorated with the hidden fridge, all the hidden cabinet, and also the hidden dishwasher. And moving on is the cloakroom. What is a cloakroom? I learned about this also from this trip. For a household that do not want their delivery service to be using the same door as your main entrance, this is where you give access to the building staff. So then when they deliver the mail, deliver your Amazon package, deliver any of your delivery, they go through the side door. And look on the ceiling. Wow, this is classic. It is quite a modernized building, but then they added the bricks to really add a little bit of the castle or medieval time feel. Powder room. Powder room is for the guests, and look at the mirror. All those detail work, the golden paint and feature are all handmade and imported from Europe. Moving to the other side of a room is the master bedroom, also with all the details being careful. And I personally like the golden decorative ornament, but I also know that guys usually like it very modernized. But I would say this is more a girl's dream. Alright. All the glamorous home need to have one very important thing. And that is the walk-in closet. And finally, we arrive in the master bedroom. King-size bed, very spacious with, once again, so lovely, the Central Park view. It makes you feel like you're living in the park with this view coming in. Ah, heaven. In terms of amenity, they have a gym downstairs with spa, the laundry room, and also everyone have their own parking lot and the valet in the parking lot. Hey, before we move on, make sure that you comment down below and let me know what is your guess. How much do you think this place is going to cost? And the price of this place is $2 million. Did you guess it? I hope you liked today's episode. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification and leave me a comment. I will see you on the Upper East Side. XOXO Gossip Girl.